Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Adidas Superstar All-Black. Now these sneakers have definitely stood the test of time. Originally introduced in 1969, and the Adidas Superstar is very well known for its signature shell toe cap. So this is the box of the all-black Adidas Superstar. This is what it should look like, and on the other side you should have all your necessary information pertaining to your size with a barcode. So let's unbox the sneaker. You'll find your wrapper, and now let's remove the wrapper. And as we can see, the Adidas Superstar All-Black. If you'd like to see more sneaker reviews, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more sneaker reviews. Looks very smart, guys. As we know, the iconic Superstar, and these are all black. Looks very smart, very elegant, and definitely one of the show-stopping pieces to have a part of your Superstar edition or your collection. So these are what the shoes look like, guys. The shoe has a very good weight to it. It's not light. As you can see, that signature shell toe cap, that is the Adidas Superstar trademark. The perfect crafted stitching in the front of the shoe, below the shell toe cap. On the sides you have your stitching, a very durable sole. You have your 3 Adidas stripes going down, as well as your 5 breather part holes times 2. You have 7 lace studs on these Adidas all-black Superstars. You can see the Adidas logo in the back, full black out. Your double seamed stitching at the back. Very durable, very strong, guys. You can see I'm bending it and it has no reflex. The soles are made of hard rubber for durability and made extra strong. As you can see, this is the left of the shoe. Full leather, guys. Definitely made for durability. On the tongue of the shoe, you have your Adidas logo. As you can see there, I'm just moving the laces so you guys could see. On the tongue of the shoe on the inside, you'll have your QR code that you can scan with your camera, and your size of your shoe, and more information on your Superstar. On the inside, as you can see, the inner soles are stamped with the Adidas logo. I've put in a refresher ball inside of mine. They keep the shoes nice and fresh. Underneath you have a rigid effect, and that's to protect your feet and for it to be very comfortable. And there you have it, guys. Those are your Adidas Superstar All Blacks.